The new AI headshot generator is one of the most exciting AI tools I've seen recently, and if you're wondering whether it's the real deal, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know 7 crucial things you need to consider before using this software. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. There's some valuable info here, and I'm going to give you a peek at how this tool could seriously level up your digital presence. Plus, you can try this AI headshot generator for free with the first link below. So, what makes this software stand out in the crowded AI space? First off, it's designed to generate professional-looking headshots in just a matter of seconds. You upload a few photos of yourself and the AI does the rest. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or someone looking to enhance your personal brand, this tool can save you the hassle and expense of hiring a photographer. The second thing you need to know is how user-friendly it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The interface is clean, intuitive, and guides you through each step. Even if you're completely new to AI, you'll find it easy to create the perfect headshot for your needs. Third, the quality of the generated headshots is impressive. This isn't just about creating a random selfie. The AI fine-tunes the image to make it look like a professional photograph. Lighting, shadows, and even background adjustments are all handled for you. It can create different versions of your headshot based on your preferences, from casual to more corporate, making it versatile for any use case. However, no software is perfect, and this one has a few limitations. While the results are generally fantastic, some users have reported that certain facial expressions or angles don't always translate perfectly. It's still early days for this software, and improvements are being made constantly, but that's something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about pricing. While you can try this AI headshot generator completely free via the link below, the premium options do offer some nice perks. With the paid versions, you get access to unlimited headshot generations, higher quality image outputs, and additional customization options like backgrounds or special effects. For anyone looking to use this software for commercial purposes, this might be a worthy upgrade. Another thing worth mentioning is the AI's ability to handle multiple people. If you need a set of headshots for a team or group, the tool can generate multiple images in one go. It's fast, it's efficient, and it can save you hours or even days compared to traditional methods. One thing I love about this tool is its ability to deliver results quickly. In a world where time is money, the fact that you can upload a couple of photos and have multiple high-quality headshots within minutes is a game changer. If you need to make a quick impression for a profile picture, social media update, or even a business card, this tool is a lifesaver. If you're thinking about whether it's worth integrating into your digital marketing strategy, the short answer is yes. A great headshot can have a huge impact on your branding, social media engagement, and even your job prospects. The AI headshot generator allows you to create a polished, professional image that reflects the best version of yourself, all with just a few clicks. To wrap this up, if you're ready to dive in, I've left a link below where you can try out the AI headshot generator for free. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently recommend this one as a must-try for anyone looking to enhance their personal brand or online presence. If you're interested in more AI tools that can help improve your business and personal branding, check out the other software recommendations in the description below. I've tested a ton of them, and these are the ones I believe make the most difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial now through the link below.